Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. And after quite some time now, I have made another video on different job opportunities and applications that you can apply to right now, companies that are currently hiring and have positions open. So if you are trying to look for a job, or if you know of someone, your friend or contact who's trying to look for something, then this video might just be really helpful for him or her, and do share it around with your friends, with your network, so that they can apply to the right opportunities at the right time, the ones that match their profile. And if you are looking for material on preparation for interviews and computer science, programming, technology, all of that, including various job opportunities and drives. So you can subscribe to the channel if you're new and haven't already subscribed. I keep posting videos on these topics almost every week. So they will definitely help you in your preparation journey. So let's directly move on to the different opportunities that are currently available and hiring right now. Okay, so the very first one that we have for now is from Adobe. And Adobe, most of you might already be knowing of. So this is a company that has a lot of its softwares, products, applications that we all use, and it offers one of the best work cultures and work-life balance situation that you can find for any organization for a software engineering role. So this position currently is recruiting for a software engineer. The job locations are going to be Bangalore or Noida. So based on your interest or preference, you might be able to choose one of these. And this is a full-time position, not an internship or a part-time role. And it's recently 14 days ago this has been posted. So here you can read something about Adobe if you want to. And then this is about the opportunity, what you're going to do. So what you'll be working on is basically Adobe client application teams like Photoshop, XD. Those are the softwares that you might be developing some features for. And this is a basic overview of what you'll be doing: creating test automation frameworks, then designing software products, maintaining documentation of test results, debugging, modification, and functionalities, all of that. And then they have mentioned these points, probably part of your eligibility criteria. So you need to be either a BTech or an MTech computer science student with a good academic record, and then experience with OOPS concepts is a must. And C++ skills are nice to have. So if C++ is your preferred language, then this is a very good opportunity for you to apply. Basic Objective C is also they're looking for it. It's preferred. So Objective C and C++, if you're a developer, definitely apply to this one. Then knowledge about frameworks, executing test scripts, test specifications. So this is something that you might also get a chance to learn while you're working. And then some generic points: strong interpersonal communication skills. So that's it, not a lot mentioned. And this is a full-time role only, so only graduates or fresher students who are graduating this year can apply. So second and third year students cannot apply to this one. And that's all about this one. If you have to apply to this Adobe software engineer role, just click on apply this button and then fill the forms, upload your resume, and that's all for this one. Let's move on to the next one now. Okay, so the next position that we have is from Shopee, which is also a good company to work at. This is for a backend developer role. They are looking for fresh graduates, software engineer at the backend level. And this is something about Shopee. If you want, you can read about the company. For the job description: designing and developing backend services, system platforms that their products will be using, writing high quality, clean, maintainable code, common libraries, and designing and implementing various supporting tools, collaborating with product managers, designers. So this is basically the overview of the description. So for the requirements, they are looking for bachelor's or higher, so probably masters are eligible as well, in computer science or any related fields, basically IT. And then fresh graduate students only. So your graduating year right now will be 2021, and then passionate about programming and all that. Your language specifications are Go, Python, C++, Java, the most common languages, relational databases such as MySQL, and logical thinking abilities. Then the skills that are preferable are working in Linux development environments, multi-threading, multi-threaded programming, then common network protocols, knowledge about TCP, UDP, HTTP, how they work, networking concepts, then hands-on experience in web frameworks such as Django, Ruby on Rails, and Node.js. After that, familiarity with web server and massive concurrency handling and caching mechanisms. So these are optional but preferable. Mostly you should focus on these requirements that they mentioned. And to fill this application, you just need to fill this form attached here. Ask for your name, email ID, phone number, location. You can attach your resume or a cover letter if you have. Company name and title is for the ones who have already had some work experience before. They can work. They can fill about their work details. And then your CGPA, LinkedIn profile, website if you have, and where did you hear about this? And then you can submit this application. That's all for this one. So for fresh graduates, if you're looking for a full-time position, this is a good opportunity. And let's move on to the next one. So after this, the next one is from Amazon. This is for an SDE1. So SDE1 obviously means a fresh graduate, or you can have an experience of about 1 to 2 years. Then also you might be able to apply for SDE1. So this is also a full-time role. Students who have graduated in 2021 or before can apply for this one. not currently students who are in universities. Your qualifications for this particular opportunity would be knowledge about Java, C++, C Sharp, including OOPS concepts, then bachelor's degree in CS or IT, and then familiarity with HTML, CSS, JS. So this is the generic Amazon job description. Experience with relational databases, SQL, MySQL, NoSQL. Then some preferred qualifications about experience with Scrum or Agile development. Then SDLC, software development lifecycle, knowledge about it. So these concepts you might have studied in your curriculum in your undergrad. And then verbal and communication skills, all of that. So this is a very generic description for Amazon. If you have to apply for SD1 position, you can click on this button, fill the form. It will then be asking about your resume, contact details, and some details about your college, like your CGPA or college branch or degree details. And that's all. So this is for Amazon. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next opportunity is from Cisco, and this is for a software consulting engineer, and this is an internship opportunity. So obviously, graduate students cannot apply. So this is eligible for, they must have mentioned, for 2022 pass outs only. So only students who are currently in third year, I guess, can apply for this one for an internship role. So this is something about Cisco that you can read. And for this one, what you should be knowing is these are the technologies that they mentioned: DSA knowledge, OS is Unix or Linux, and then CI/CD tools, Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Java, Python, Scala, Golang. Knowledge about Docker, Kubernetes, AWS services, and about you, the students. So they are looking for bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, electrical or IT, maths, physics, and then minimum of 8.5 CGPA you should have maintained. You should be passing out in 2022 only, and then solid understanding of CS fundamental software engineering, knowledge of programming and scripting languages, and excellent verbal and written skills. This is again something about Cisco. You can read about this, and the requirement is for 2022 pass outs only. So to apply for this one, just click on this button and fill the form, upload your resume, and that's it. Okay, so now for applying to a lot of these opportunities and different positions of software engineering roles, your interviews will revolve around data structures, algorithms, coding knowledge, knowledge about Python, data science, machine learning, web development. So this is a very integral part of all of these interviews and different positions. So there is currently also an opportunity for you to go through an online training on Internshala trainings. It is basically an online e-learning platform that offers a lot of trainings on Python, data science, machine learning, web development, programming, coding, data structures, algorithms to help you prepare for your interviews. It offers industry recognized certifications and has a well curated placement assistance and internship assistance program. So there are a lot of trainings that are currently being offered by Internshala. So these are amongst the most popular ones on web development, digital marketing, programming with Python, AutoCAD, advanced Excel, machine learning, Android app development, data science, C and C++ programming, and then financial modeling. You can sort them by your particular domain. For example, these are the ones on programming, ethical hacking, C, C++, Java, React, blockchain, Angular for web development. There are trainings on every single domain of computer science, data structures, algorithms, MATLAB, software testing. Similarly, for business and management, if you want to apply to those roles, core engineering roles. But I think what's going to be really helpful for you people are trainings on programming. So there are 17 trainings, and then on data science. So it also has trainings on statistics, data science, SQL, and then also this section which is about career development. So you have business communication skills, internship and job preparation, and then how to ace coding interviews, which is going to be a very crucial part of your software engineering applications. And the most important part is that currently there is an end of season sale going on over at Internshala Trainings, and as part of this they are offering an 80% direct discounts on all their training programs. So this sale is valid till the 30th of June only. So make sure you register for whichever training you want to before that time, and you'll get an 80% direct immediate discount for all of these trainings on programming. And for example, if I just go through one particular training, let's say how to ace the coding interviews. So if you click on it, you'll get every information about this one. This is a 6 weeks long training program. It offers you placement assistance, then learn from home. It has 92 video tutorials. All these trainings are beginner friendly, so you don't really require any past experience. They take it from the scratch all the way to the top. And then there are 100 coding questions in this one to help you prepare better. There will be a certificate, industry recognized certificate provided. And then there is a Q&A platform where you can have a one-to-one session for your doubts, to clear all your doubts throughout this training program if you have any questions on any video lectures or tutorials. And then all this content is downloadable with lifetime access. So you can have these tutorials and content throughout whenever you want to refer to them back again. And this is basically about what placement assistance you will receive, how to ace coding interviews, which you will require as the first round in all of these companies, and about this particular training. So similarly, you can choose any training and go through the information that they have. So basically, these are the topics: array, strings, linked list, tags, queues, hash tables, graphs, DP, and then probably the final preparation for your interviews. So this is one training, and similarly, you can go through any other, and they have an 80% discount on all of these. So do make the best of this opportunity for the end of season sale. Avail the discount as soon as possible and get any popular training program on the platform at a very heavy discounted price right before your interview, so that you can still have time to complete the training and prepare for the coding interview rounds or technical rounds of your software engineering profiles. So definitely do make the most of this opportunity. To avail this discount, you can just click on the link. It will be mentioned. I have attached this link in the description section of the video as well as the pinned comment. You can go there and click on this link. So you can refer that link. It will redirect you to this platform from where you can avail 80% discount on all of these trainings. So let's move on to the next one now. Okay, so the next one is from Salesforce, which is a very good company to work at. Great work-life balance, great work culture, and very highly regarded amongst the best companies to work for. This particular role is going to be for a cybersecurity operations internship, and the job location is Hyderabad, but it's probably going to be remote for now. And this is something about Salesforce, the company. And for the skills required and the experience required, you need to be a college graduate and with the major focus on information security, proficient coding ability, strong interest in information security, awareness about threats and securities, cyber security. So if you are in that domain, network security, system security, if you have knowledge or want to take up that field, then this is a very good opportunity for you to apply to. You need to be familiar with Linux and Windows, including Active Directory and email security threats, and strong technical understanding of networking concepts, specifically DNS, HTTP, HTTPS, TLS, SMTP. And then the desired skills and experience include college graduate in pre-final year of information security degree. So they've clearly mentioned you need to be in your third year and you need to be of this particular background, information security branch, and familiarity with Salesforce products and common web development technologies. They've also mentioned something about accommodation, so you can read this form request about it, and then posting statement, all of that. To apply to this, just click on this button and apply as soon as possible for this internship position if you are in your third year right now and from this information security background. Okay, so the next position is from Facebook, and Facebook does not have offices or operations in India, but this one is a remote opportunity. So you can probably work remotely as well. And the job role is for a research intern or an artificial intelligence intern. So for this one, the job description, the way that they've mentioned is pretty different. You first need to fill your personal information, country, name, email, phone number, your website, and then upload your resume. After that, I cannot go to the next section without filling this. But then once you fill this, you will probably be taken to the education section with details about your education, then your experience, skills, and self-identification, and then you can review and submit this form. So I can't take you through the entire form without having filled all this, but it's going to be pretty simple and it's going to be a remote opportunity to be working at Facebook. So do not miss this. They mentioned that you can submit up to 3 applications every 90 days. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. And that's all about this one. Just a very good opportunity to work remotely at Facebook. And now let's move on to the last one that we have for now. So the last one for now is from Intel, and this is a graduate intern opportunity. Job location again at Bangalore, and this is the job description about this one. Your qualifications will be BTech or MTech, and you need to be pursuing this right now because this is an internship, not a full-time role. So not for graduates. So basically 2022 or 23 grads might be able to apply for this one. And they've not really mentioned anything about the technologies or the particular job role. They've just mentioned something about the business group that this position is for, and a disclaimer, that's it. So you will probably get more opportunity once you apply, and you can apply by clicking on this button and filling your forms and all of that. So yeah, that's all for Intel as well. Okay, so those were all the opportunities that I had for now, and I'll also make videos on new ones once I find them. If you want to apply to any of these, you can just go to the description box. All the links will be mentioned there, along with the one from International Trainings, where they are currently offering heavy discounts, and definitely avail the discounted price before the 30th of June. That link will also be in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you have any doubts with regards to the applications or how to register for something, put them down in the comment box and I'll respond to those. And do share this video with your friends or subscribe to the channel if you're new here, so that others can also take advantage of these applications and opportunities. And that was all for now. If you want to stay updated, you can check the other videos out. I have playlists created as well. So there are videos on data structures, algorithms, and a lot of these off-campus hiring drives, and some coding interview questions as well. So that was it for this video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.